Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine at home. Welcome to the class once again. Today, let us start new lesson number 12, the complements. Let us start the lesson. We know that a sentence needs a subject and a finite verb and also an object when the verb is transitive. A sentence sometimes needs other elements to make its meaning complete. Look at the following sentences. Om was tired. We were excited about winning. This is what he said. In the first sentence, we have a subject Om and a verb was. But the sentence needs the word tired to make its meaning complete. Similarly, in the second sentence, the phrase excited about winning makes the meaning of the sentence complete. In the third sentence, we have the clause what he said, which adds to the subject and verb this is to make the meaning complete. This element is called a complement. So, complement is used to make the sentence to give complete meaning, to make the sentence complete. The complement is a word, phrase, or a clause that is necessary to complete the meaning of a sentence. So, every sentence you should have a complete meaning and it should have complete formation also. So, to complete the meaning or to complete sentence, we use complements. A complement may be a subject complement or an object complement. A subject complement and an object complement. First, let us see subject complement. A subject complement follows a linking verb. The complement of a linking verb either describes the subject or gives it another name. Therefore, it is called a subject complement. Example, I am a teacher. Renaming the subject. The weather is perfect for a picnic. Describe the subject weather. The subject complement may be a noun or a pronoun. As such, it renames the subject. Saturn is a planet. Poonam is an architect. So here you can see, compare these two sentences, they are just replacing the other. I am a teacher. Here is a Saturn is a planet. Here the describing is coming afterwards. Here I pronoun and teacher is a noun. And here it is interchanged. Saturn is a planet. Poonam is an architect. So complement may be a subject or the other opposite side to rename the subject. Look at the sentences. This is Arun, this is he. It was he who gave me this book. Since the pronoun actually renames the subject, it should be in the same form as it would have been as a subject. It must be in the subjective case. He is the doctor. The doctor is he. A predicative adjective that describes the subject. The children were hungry. This coffee tastes excellent. So these are all complements. A participle. Mother seemed agitated. This looks amazing. The direct words are to be a participle and it is a complement. And infinitive. The child appealed to shudder. Mano's aim is to succeed. So this is infinitive complements. A group of words doing the work of an adjective. The second hand car was in an excellent condition. So, is an excellent condition is a group of words which works as an adjective. The drive through the mountains was an awe-inspiring experience. So, this is a adjective. Group of words as an adjective. An adverb or an adverbial. He is at the gate. He is never at home. This is the adverbial thing. Next, noun class. Neha's problem is that she will not listen. John's opinion is that Meera is telling the truth. So, these are noun class which acts as the complements. With this, let us see the first exercise. Underline the subject complement and write what kind it is. Karthik seemed rather upset. Here, rather upset is the complement. It is adjective describing the subject. So, Karthik is upset. It is describing. So, it is an adjective complement. 2. Om is a kind-hearted soul. Same thing here. Kind-hearted soul. It is also adjective describing the subject. Like that, do the remaining exercise. Now, the exercise 2. Complete the following sentences with appropriate subject complements. 1. Radha is a dash, a teacher. It's a complement. 2. Manoj became dash, an architect. It's a complement. The old man appeared dash at the gate. It's a complement. Like that, try doing the remaining ones. Next we see object complement. Look at these sentences. The man rang the bell. Adequate exercise keeps one healthy. The verbs in these two sentences rang and keeps are transitive verbs, so they require an object each to complete their meanings. In the first sentence, the verb rang takes the object the bell to complete its meaning predicate. In the second sentence, the verb keeps takes the object one. However, the meaning of the sentence still remains incomplete. We want to know how exercise keeps one, and we receive the answer with the word healthy. The word healthy, which completes the meaning of the sentence, it is complement. And since it speaks about the object, we call it the object complement. Previously, we saw about subject complement, which is say something about subject. Here it is object complement. Object, the complement says something about the object. Here, rang the bell. Exercise keeps one healthy. Here, it says about the object, so it is object complement. An object complement may be an adjective that describes the object. Grandmother kept the children happy. It is a object complement, which is an adjective. Her illness made Ritu irritable. Irritable is a adjective, an adjective complement. A noun that renames the object. The council appointed Jania secretary. They called their dog Rufus. So these are all. Here it is the Jania secretary. See, it is renames. Dog Rufus. It is a rename. Next, a participle adjective. Her dance performance held the audience enraptured. We found the play boring. So it is a participle adjective. An infinitive phrase. We considered him to be intelligent. Summit believed his friend to be helpful. Here these are all infinitive phrase. Next, a noun phrase or a participle phrase. Mother found the books hidden under the clothes. We found Anu standing at the door. These two are a noun phrase. With this, let us see the exercise 3. In each sentence, identify the object and its complement and write what kind it is. 1. Geeta called her boss a monster. So, what is the object? Boss. And its complement a monster. What complement it is? It is a noun complement. 2. The board found the plan excellent. The plan is the object and excellent is a complement. What kind? It is a adjective complement. 3. Soil erosion has made the hills barren. The hills, object, barren, complement. What complement? Adjective complement. Like that, try doing the remaining exercise. Next is exercise 4. Write your own sentences containing subject complements using the following linking verbs. Becomes, like she becomes a teacher. Let you can write. 2. Appears, he appears to be an intelligent person. Like that, do the remaining one. Then exercise 5. Write your own sentences containing object complements using the following verbs. 1. Keeps, he keeps the house clean. Considers, she considers him bad. Like that, do the remaining exercise. Okay children, with this our lesson comes to the end. Try doing all the exercises and learn them also. Thank you.